Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to do a smoked baked brie that will knock the socks off of all your guests when you come. Super healthy, super good, super yummy. The ingredients are, we bought ourselves a brie round. We're using fresh rosemary that we've chopped up here. We're going to chop some fresh pecans, sliced walnuts. Dried fruit are going to be apricots, cranberries, blueberries. We're going to use fig jam and Knotty wood honey on this. So we'll get to making this and show you how we're gonna do it, and it's gonna go inside of a cast iron to go right inside your pellet smoker and smoke it. We're gonna smoke this at about 350 to 400 for about 25 to 35 minutes, and it'll be gooey and yummy and delicious. So here we go. Okay, we're just gonna take some pecans here, and we're just gonna chop these guys up nice. I'm gonna slice some of these guys up to add in there. Okay, I like to use a small knife. So I'm gonna cut this out. Now then, we're just gonna make ourselves a nice brie bowl here. Don't be afraid to save this because we can pile this up and use this also with this stuff here. Take this fig jam here. Just gonna spread that on the inside. We'll start adding a little bit of these ingredients around in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of this cheese on top here, just to get that melting in with it. Cranberries, blueberries, more nuts. Start drizzling a little bit of that honey on there. Put a little bit of this fresh rosemary on here. More almonds. A little bit more honey here. Okay, we're on at 350. We're gonna check this here in about 20-25 minutes and see how it's doing. We'll check back with you guys. It's been about 20 minutes. We said we'd come back, we'd check this, so we're gonna open this up and look at that. She is a boiling cauldron of goodness there. So you can check it by just poking it. That brie is nice and soft. That's all nice and soft in there. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull this guy off.